No. I've literally just got this box out. Listen to this.
What's that?
I can't believe it.
Do it again.
The other glass did not sound like this. This is the last one. Okay, yeah. Right, lift it up.
Whoa!
Shit!
Oh my god!
Have it all, it's just a state of mind. No matter what they say, you know you're always right. You got a heart of gold, the moon is on your side. No matter where you go, you're always in the light. Always in the light. Don't you know you're not alone? Won't you come into my life, into my life? Don't you know you're not alone? Won't you come into my life, into my life, into my life? Oh, into my life. You know you have it all, it's just a way of life. No matter what they say, you know at least you tried. You are my universe, you are my space and time. Whatever comes around, you're always on my mind. Always on my mind. Don't you know you're not alone? Won't you come into my life, into my life? Don't you know you're not alone? Won't you come into my life, into my life, into my life?
So, all the windows are done in our Sprinter. There you go. So we've got the nice side window with the opener, a little cool vent window with the opener, back door windows, and it kind of mirrors the side here. So again, vent window and big opener. So let's go in and have a look what it looks like on the inside. Okay, there you can see me now. So I'm inside, and this is how it looks on the inside. Leaking windows. I can't believe it. They are leaking. It's not a massive amount, but it's certainly leaking. So that's leaking. See there. This one is leaking. Okay, this one I think's okay. This one was leaking the other day, but it seems alright now, and this one is okay. You know, I'm really disappointed. I did everything sort of to the book, prepped and cleaned and glued and everything as per manual, but obviously it wasn't enough or wasn't right. So I've had to bite the bullet, and we're taking it to a proper windscreen place today to have all of the windows taken out and all put back in again. I just think it's the best option, because if I don't have them fixed, yeah, I could try and see them from the inside, but you know, how long is that going to last? Is it going to even work? I don't want to get into the position where, you know, even if we took them out and resealed them, would I be in the same position again? So I think I'm just going to get them done professionally. At least I know that it's all done and all sealed, and we can move on with the project. So I am gutted, I really am, because I thought, you know, I'd really done well and I was really chuffed with the result, but just not good enough. So off to the windscreen shop today to get them done, and let's move on with the project.
Into my life. straight line.